How to recover Bereal deleted stories. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover Bereal deleted stories. So generally, it's not possible to recover a deleted Bereal post and once it has been deleted. Now, what you could do is if you've changed your time zone in the settings, your latest BeReal is automatically and permanently deleted. And it is impossible to recover a deleted BeReal for this reason as well. So likewise, if you go to the home page and if you did not manually delete your post but cannot see it in your memories, it may be a display issue rather than a permanent deletion. For that, you could go with a fix like completely closing the app and then reopening the app as well. Next, you could also ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi signal. And you could also post your next burial off in your previous memories. Will only refresh and appear after you have successfully posted your current burial. And if you accidentally tapped the options to deactivate and delete your memories, your entire archive of your past posts is erased from your BeReal server as well. So there's no way you could go ahead and recover it. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.